Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see 11 statistics. In last class we have discussed chapter 5. So this time also we are going to discuss the same chapter 5. Measures of central tendency. Central tendency. We will see the topic. This one already we have done what is a average, that is mean, median, mode we have seen, positional mean, and then these things we have shown. So just have a small recap what we have shown in the previous classes. Have a look. I have taken here notes. You can see here this is the last class we have taken. We have done one definition, what is your mean, and then we have done central tendency means mathematical average, and then positional average is that. In mathematical average, what are the things will come na? AM, GM, HM. Arithmetic mean, geometrical mean, harmonic mean we have shown, and positional average we have median and mode we have shown. After this one we have done data. So data is how we are going to classify, means ungrouped data or group data. In ungrouped data will become like individual, and group data we have two types, discrete and continuous. Discrete means a fixed point value will be there, respective frequency will be there, whereas continuous means interval form will be there. So based on this one we have done some problems, that is I think we have done 5.3 last class. A small recap of the same. What the question is, you just understand. A proof reads through 73-page manuscript, means a handwritten notes. The number of mistakes found on each of the page are summarized in the following table below. Determine the mean number of mistakes found per page. They have given number of mistakes, number of pages. This I have written 152. These are the things we have done. After this one, based on this one, we have got the answer, that is number of mistakes we have done. Direct method we are doing. This is the direct method formula. What's the direct formula now? Summation fi xi divided by n is that. So we have taken via xi fi, multiplied, and we got the answer. And if you added, now this answer is coming. If you are dividing, we are getting 4.09. This we call it as a direct method. This is a direct method, right? Okay, now we are going to do a shortcut method. What is the shortcut method that we are going to see? Okay, for that one I need some questions here, so that I will write here. So before that one we must know what's the formula. Formula, if you understand, means then everything will come. Here shortcut method. What's the shortcut method of formula is same thing here. What that means, that is x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di by n. This is a formula, and then where is di is nothing but xi minus a. Di is nothing but xi minus a. This is the formula we need to use here to get the value for the discrete type of data. This is a group data, but it is a discrete type. So I want to write just a table only, so which help us to calculate here. That is here number of mistakes, is there, mistakes, and then here number of frequency, number of pages. No means not no, it's a number of pages is that. This is the things we have. I will write 1, I think 1 to 7 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 7 mistakes we can have. How many pages means 1 mistake is 5, 2 mistakes is 9, 3 mistakes is 12, 4 mistakes is 17, and 5 mistakes is 14, and 6 mistakes is 10, and this is 7 mistakes is how much? 6 is that. This is the things we have done in the direct method. We have used what's the direct method formula, that you know that one. Direct method formula is sigma fi xi by n. This is a sigma fi xi by n. This is a direct method formula. But we are going to, now we have the same problem. We are going to use what the answer came, means for this same problem is 4.09 the answer came. Now we are going to do the same problem but using the shortcut method. what is the shortcut method is that is very important, we need to do here. I already told you number of mistakes here, asking how many, what is the average mistake. That's why we are going to take this is xi. Class mark will say how many pages is having, that we called as f5, that is frequency will say. So we need to construct a table. What's the table, what are the things will consist table means, first we need to write xi, then we have f5, xi f5 we have. What's the xi here, we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 is that. This is the 7 values we are having. Now pages is number of pages, mistakes is that, so I have to take the same column 5 9 12 and then 17 14 10 and then 6. I'm not doing anything, I have taken the tabular column. This is in horizontal way, this is in a vertical way I have written. Now what are the next column will come means, we need to see the formula. What is the formula is that fi into di, a plus is that. So a we need to assume, a is nothing but assume mean, we will say a as a assumed mean also we can say. We have to take a assumed mean, any mean we need to take on xi, we need to take on xi, that is very important here. Okay, so the value we are going to take a value we need to take. Okay, so that is the first thing we are going to do. After this one we need to calculate the remaining part. How we are going to calculate the remaining part, let's see. Okay, so now the thing is, we need to first fix what is a, right? What is a? A means you can see here how many data are there. Xi only you are going to choose a value is going to choose on xi. See, take a middle value, that is a very best way of selecting assumed mean. So here how many data is there? 7. So half of 7 is 3.5. 3.5 will come here, there is no data, so we will take 4 as a. We are going to take 4 as mid value is greater than, you take it, no problem. A value I am taking as 4. From xi only you are going to pick. You should not pick from any other column, you should not do. Don't confuse with f5. We are going to do in xi only. Y means x bar is a mean. Mean means what? X bar only, no. X bar is nothing but mean. So that's why we are going to take on xi. So a value I am going to take as a 4. So a value I have taken 4. Is it clear? Okay. Next one what we are going to do. Now you see what's the formula is that. What the value you are going to substitute here. X bar is nothing but a plus sigma fi di by n is that. That's very important. So you can see a value you have taken as a 4 plus divided by n. N already last class we have little bit confused, 75 written. Actually it's a 73. How many pages they are reading? How many pages they are reading? 73. That's why n value is 73. So that will come. Or you just add this value, this frequency f, you add it, you will get sigma fi is nothing but n. Okay, you just added this one. So it's simple. 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 14 is how much it's coming, 16 and 14 30 47 and then 40 59 plus 9 59 plus 9 is 68 plus 3 73. So n values we are getting what? 73 here. So we got easily the value of this is 73. Now we are going to do, we got it n value also. Now we need only fi and di. Fi into di. For you got it fi, no problem. Now we need to get what di. What's the di formula? Xi minus a is that. That is xi is this value. Okay, this is value. You have to subtract it from minus a. A value you got it at what? 4. So therefore we can write shortly as xi minus 4 we can write. For understanding purpose I have written. So what is xi here? 1. So 1 minus 4 is how much we are getting? 1 minus 4 is minus 3 we are getting here. Then 2 minus 4 is minus 2 will get. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 will come. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 1. And 6 minus 4 is 2 will come. And then 7 minus 4 is 3 will come. So you can see it's a 1 2 3. Here also 1 2 3. But it is a positive. This is a negative. Definitely 0 will be there. So that is the thing, we got it here. What is the value of fi di? We got it. Now what we are going to do, we have to multiply here. So we are going to multiply here Fi into Di, Fi into Di, multiply it. So multiplication Fi and Di. 5 3s are 15, plus into minus minus, so minus 15 will come here, right? Okay, see here it's visible, right? Okay, 9 2s are 18, plus into minus minus, so this is minus 18 will come. Then 12 ones are 12, plus into minus minus, so this is minus 12 will come. Then 17 into 0 0, so 0 will come. 14 ones are 14 will come. Then 10 2s are 20 will come. Then 6 3s are what will come? 6 3s are 18 will come. So we got the value of everything. I have multiplied. Now what we are going to do, sigma Fi Di. That is, we need to add all the element of Fi Di. Fi Di, whatever is there, you just add it. I'm making minus 18 is there, plus 18. Don't cancel it, use pencil. I'm cancelling here, you don't cancel. Use pencil. Minus 18 plus 18 gone out. Okay, so here minus 15 plus 20 plus 5 will be balanced. 14 minus 12 is 2 will be balanced. That's it, right? So everything 5 plus 2, what it's coming? 7 it's coming. That's the value we are having. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, you have to substitute. Sigma Fi Di value is what? 7. So just add it 7 here. So that's the value we are getting. Okay, since I told you we can use our calculator, ordinary calculator we can use. So I am going to use the calculator, just have a see. So what we need to do, 7 divided by 73. So 7 I have taken divided by 73. What's the value it's coming? 0.0958 is there. So taking up to 2 decimal, it will come 0.09. So therefore this value is coming as I'm writing here. So 4 plus 0.09, because the value is what we are, sorry. So what the value it's coming, 0.095 is there. So I have taken only, I want you can round it, but I am not rounding. So it will, the value is 4. What it's coming, 09 will come. Same thing we got in the first problem also, the same value it's coming on the second point also. This is also, we can say it's a shortcut method. So be clear that while they're asking to do in shortcut method, means you have to use shortcut method, you should not use some other method. That should be clear. If they didn't mention any method, then you can straight away you can follow whatever your method you can do it, right? Okay, so we have shown discrete method. Now group data in discrete method we have shown. Last class we have shown that is raw data and group data. We have shown both the way, direct method and shortcut method. In discrete, now we are last class direct method. Now we have shown shortcut method. Now we will go to group data with the continuous type. Group data with the continuous type. Here also they say continuous data, continuous group data. Group data is there. So continuous group data, what's the method? Means here also two method is there. Same thing. What is that? Direct method, shortcut. Yes, see I am writing. It's a shortcut method. Direct method is the same formula. X bar equals to what is the formula? Sigma Fi Xi by N. This is the direct. Same only it's coming. Here shortcut method is what's the formula? A plus sigma Fi Di by N into C. I am writing here. So this is C, what is that we need to see here. So this is Fi, you know that frequency, and then so this is Di is nothing but Xi minus A. The A you know that assume value. C is a class size. We'll say is a class width or class size, we can say. What's that one? While we are doing the problem, you will able to understand. Okay, now let's we take the problem and then see this one, what it is there. So now the first thing, what is that in this one? I'm going to write the example problem of example 5.4 I'm doing. Okay, so example 5.4, the following distribution, how the questions are there now. The following distribution, following the distribution of person persons according to different income, according to different different income groups is given. This is a question is that what they are saying, income in rupees 1000, that is thousands as it they've used one thing, that is another number of person is there. Two things as that you keep it in mind. What is that one? 0 to 8, that is 0 to 8,000, or we can say 8 to 16, and then it's 16 to 24. Is it clear? 16 to 24,000, then 24 to 32, then similar way 32 to 40, then 40 to 48, then 40 to 48. 8 difference is that you can see here 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, and this is 48. This is what, that is the number of person is what I am writing. I will explain. 8, 7, 16, 24, then we have 15 and 7 is there. 15 and 7. What does means mean? Income, they have written income in 1000, which means that 0 to 8, that is from 0 rupees to 8,000. Between this, how many person are getting it? That is 0 to 8,000 salary. How many of your person getting? Means 8% are getting. So 8,000 to 16,000. Between this, how many workers are getting a salary? No? 7 workers. Or we can say 16 workers are getting salary between 16 to 24. We can say, and 24 workers are 24% are getting a salary 24 to 32, and 15% are getting 30 to 40,000 as a salary, and 7% are getting 40 to 48 salary. They are saying. Now we are going to do a direct method. We are going to follow. Right. Okay. What's the direct method? That how we are going to do. This is the thing. Is that okay? Here it's very important that it's a class is given 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 30 to 40, 40 to 48 is there. Now this is nothing but is a class interval. Whereas in discrete, both two columns will be there in discrete time. But 0 to 8, like that interval is not there. Now that is discrete type. Here 0 to 8 is there. That's why it's a class type. We can say usually this is class is nothing but 0 to 8 is coming. Usually class is coming is nothing but xi. Number of person counting it's coming, that you take it as f. Okay. So now I am writing here the formula. What's the formula for x bar? That is direct method, DM method. What's the formula is nothing but that is sigma fi xi by n is that. That is the thing we need to apply. Okay. Before going to this one, I want to write here class interval. See, I am going to write. So in vertical way I am going to write what is that one, 0 to 8 and 8 to 16, then 16 to 24, then 24 to 32, then 32 to 40, then 40 to 48. 40 to 48 is that. This is the thing of class interval. The number of person is given. No, that is nothing but frequency fi. This one. You can see this value, that is we are going to write 8, 7, 16, 24, 16, 24, 15, then 7. So I have written this table in this form as in the vertical form I have written. Now according to the formula we need fi xi. Here xi is not there. Class interval is not a xi. This is a class interval. We need to find xi here. Okay, that is the important things we are going to do here. After this one xi, you need to multiply fi into xi. I am seeing the formula, I am writing the table. I am not writing by my own. You just see the formula and I will calculate it. So xi, how you get means you add. In short, we can write the formula as somewhere I can write. I will write here xi upper class plus lower class divided by 2. This is the formula for xi. Upper class plus lower class divided by 2. What's upper class plus lower? You just see 0 plus 8, 8 divided by 2, 4 will come, right? 8 plus 16, how much will come? 24. 8 plus 16 is 24. Divided by 2, it will come as a 12. Here 16 plus 24, how much it's coming? So 30, this is 40. 40 divided by 2, no, 20 will come. Similarly here 24 and plus 32. 24 plus 32 is 56 will come. 56 half is how much will come? 56 half. That is 2 2s are 4 and 16 are 28 will come. So that is a 28 value will come. And 32 plus 40, it will come 72. 72 half is 36 will come. Here 40 plus 48, 88 will come. Divided by 2, now 44 will come. That's the value for xi. So keep it in mind. I'm just writing for your understanding. How I will do now? 0 plus 8 by 2. That is 8 by 2 is how much we are getting? 4. That is the first way we are getting. Similarly, last, that is 40 plus 48 divided by 2. That is 88 divided by 2 is how much it's coming? 44. Like this way we need to add this one, add this 2, add this 2, add and divide by 2. So you will get the answer. Okay. After this one we need to multiply. Okay, properly draw the tabular column. I am not having a space. I have to see the focus of this camera lens and then we need to do. So that's why please cooperate me. Okay, now we need to do what? Fi into xi. That is, you need to multiply 8 4s up. How much it will come? 32 will come. So for our convenience, you can use your calculator. It's not a issue. Okay, I'm writing here and multiplying simultaneously. What you are getting, you can just see. Next we have 7 12s. You just write it here. 7 into 12. So how much you are getting? 84. You just write 84. 0 will come. 0. 2 16s are 32 will come. That I have written shortly. Then 24 into, next what we have? 24 into 8. So next what we are going to write? 24 into 28 will do. How much it's coming? 24 into 28, 672. So I am going to write 672. I am going to write. Next we have 15 into 36. So 15 into 36. 15 into 36, how much is coming? 540 it's coming. So therefore 540 it's coming here. The next one, what is the 744? So 7 into 44. How much it's coming? 308 it's coming. So this is 308 will come. Right. Okay, this is the value. I have got it here. Now what's the value now? 32, 84, 320, 672, 540, 308. You need to add up all this. Just add. I'm just adding in reverse. You can see here I'm writing 30. See, it's not visible. Just I'm adjusting and keeping here. So I'll add it here. So you just see. So first is 32. 32 I have added. Plus 84 I have added. Next plus 320 I have added. Next I am having 672. So plus 672 I have done. The next one 540. So plus 540 I have done. After 540, how much it's coming? 308. 308 I have taken. So it's coming 1956. So summation Fi xi value is what we are getting. 1956 is coming. That's the value. Okay, I have written here 1956 I have written. Okay, after this one, what I need to do, I need to get here I have to substitute, right? So what's the sigma Fi xi value? I have got 1956 divided by n. N value is nothing but sigma Fi only. N is already, I told you, if you add n is nothing but sigma Fi. Add all the value of f. So again I am using the calculator for our convenience. So 8 is that. 8 plus, then 7 plus, then next we have 16 plus, 24 plus, and 15 plus, then 7 is that. How much it's coming? 77, right? Isn't it or not? So that value is coming as 77. That n values I am getting 77. Properly write it. Don't write like this how I am writing. So I want to write within the page, that's why I am writing here. So this is coming 77, that n value I have written. Now the easiest way is what you need to do. You need to divide it. That is 1956 1956. 1956 divided by what is that? 77. I have done now. What's the answer is coming? What's the answer? 25.4025 is that? You just write 25.40. 25.40 is that? You write it your wish, 40 or 4, whatever. So that is the way of calculating what? This you call it as a direct method. The same question we are going to do in shortcut method. The same question we are going to do in a shortcut method. How we are going to do this same thing in your shortcut method? You can have a look. What's the difference you are finding? You just take it. What's the formula? X bar is nothing but, what's the formula it's coming here? X bar is nothing but A plus sigma Fi di by n into C is that. This is the formula. Now we will explain you using a tabular column how we are getting. See, again I will write the tabular column as such for our convenience. So class interval. I am writing class interval. Next we have F5. What is the class interval? As you know that one, 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, then 32 to 40, then 40 to 48. This is what we are having, class interval. Okay, and then we have frequency. What is the frequency here? Frequency is what we are having, 8, 7, 16, 24, 15 and 17. As you know, you just add all this thing using a calculator, whatever the n value. This is summation Fi also. Both are same name. You add it, how much it's coming? 77. That you keep it in mind. Or just now we have done. No need to repeat the same. Okay. So after this one, what's the next thing we are going to do here? That is important. Xi. Okay. We need to get the value of Xi. The same thing what we have done in the column. From that one itself you can take. Just 0 plus 8 by 2. That is lower class plus upper class divided by 2. 0 plus 8 is how much it will come? 8 by 2 is how much it's coming? 4. So this value is 4. Similar way what we need to do? 8. Next one is 8. Another is 16. So 8 plus 16 by 2. That is 8 plus 16 is 24 by 2. So how much it's coming? 12. So this is 12. Right? Similarly you just add this 16 plus 24 and divided by 2. It's coming 16. And then if you add 24 plus 32 is how much it's coming? 56. 56 divided by 2, not 24 will come. Sorry here. Here 16 plus 24 is how much? 40. 40 divided by 2 now. This will come as a 20. Okay. And 32 plus 24 is how much it's coming? 56. So this will come 28. Okay. And 32 plus 40, how much it's coming? The 72. 72 divided by 2 now. 36 will come. And then here 40 plus 48, how much it's coming? 88 divided by 2 now. 44 will come. So the answer is 4, 12, 20, 28, 36, 44 will come. This is the value. Just now we have done here also. Same way. 4, 12, 20, 28, 36, 44. So here also 4, 12, 20, 28, 36, 44. You can see one pattern here. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 12 plus 8 is how much? 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. In this way also we can check it here. So we got it Xi. Now again we are going to do what is nothing but we are going to take here Fi we got it. D we need to get. We must know A. What is N you must know. What is C you must know. So that's the thing we will see here. So first A is nothing but assume. A is nothing but assume value. Where you will assume now? Usually on Xi, because assume is nothing but Xi. So here 2, 4, 8 is that. Either you can take 20 or you can take what? Either you can take 20 or you can take 28, your wish. So I'm going to take A as 20. I'm going to take A as 20 here. Sorry, 28 here. So A I have taken as 28. A I am taking as a mid value. See here 2, 4, 6 is there. So 6 half is 3. Either you can take 3. I want a little bit much more. So that's why I'm taking A. So the A value I'm taking as 28. So then DI value is what? Xi minus A. Isn't it or not? That is Xi minus 28. That value we need to calculate here. Okay. So Xi minus A. That is, you can see here 4. See here. So Xi minus A. One more thing. Here DI value is Xi minus A by C. Xi minus A by C. Entire thing divided by here C. The concept here divided by C will come. What is C here means? See here, A value I have written, C value I am writing here. See, what's the difference is coming in this one? 0 to 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus, what is the difference is there? 8 minus 0 is 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 24 minus 16, 8. 32 minus 24, 8. 40 minus 32, 8. 48 minus 40, 8. So difference is 8. So that's why C value is what we'll say 8. So that is nothing but we will say it's a class size. What's the sometime it will become 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20. Like that's not difference is 5 we can say. Or sometime it will come 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Likewise it's coming difference is 10 will come. Here it is a 8. That you keep it in mind. Okay. After this one you need to do Fi di. Here you need to do Fi di. We need to do multiply and get it. We'll see that one. So first C is here, 8 is there. So that you keep it in mind. Now what we need to do? Xi minus 28. So 4 minus 28 is how much will come? See, 4 minus 28 divided by what is that? 8 is that. I am writing for understanding purpose here. So 4 minus 8 is minus 24. 24 divided by 8. 8 now how much it will come? 8 ones are 8 threes are. So minus 3 will come. So answer is here minus 3. Okay, next one. Here Xi is 12. 12 minus 28 is how much will come? 2, that is 16 will come. Isn't it or not? So minus, that is, I am writing here. That is 12 minus 28 by 8. That is 12 minus 8 is how much will come? Minus 16 by 8. That answer is minus 2 will come. So here it will come minus 2. The next one, 20. Next is 20. Again what will come? 20 minus 28 by 8. That is 20 minus 28 is minus 8 divided by 8. So answer is what will come? Minus 1. So here it will come minus 1. Again 28 minus 28, 0. 0 by 8, 0 only will come. The next one what is that? 36. I am writing here 36 minus 28 by 8. So 36 minus 28, 8 by 8. Answer is what will come? 1. So this answer is 1 it's coming. Then finally what we are having now? 44. So therefore 44 minus 28 by 8. That is 20 now, how much will come? 16 will come. Again divided with 2 now. 8 now, 2 will come. So plus will come. So plus 2 will come. This is the value of plus 2. Alright. You are getting all the value of this one. You just apply the formula is what? Xi minus A divided by C. Xi is a Xi column value you are going to take. A is assume you have to choose from Xi you need to choose. Divided by C is nothing but class width. That is class size, class width we can say. So that we need to calculate here. The next one, Fi into Di. Next what we are going to do? Fi into Di. So what's the Fi? This one Fi. Di is this one. So plus into minus, minus. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Plus into minus, minus. 7 2s are 14 it's coming. Plus into minus, minus. 16 ones are 16 will come here. So that is the value. And 24 into 0, 0 will come. I am writing here. So 24 into 0, 0 will come. 15 ones are 15 will come. Then 17 twos are 34 will come. So this is the value we are getting. You just add this positive value, what you are getting? 30 plus 10, 40, 45, 49. This is 49 it's coming. So just add this one, what you are getting, you will see here 49 it's coming positive. Everything is negative, that's a negative. 20, 30, 40, 50, 54 it's coming. The value is minus 54 it's coming. So 54 minus 49 you do it, how much it's coming? 1 and then 5 will come, isn't it or not? Since the number is negative, number is big, so therefore minus 54 plus 49, answer is what you are getting? Minus 5 you are getting. This is sigma fi di value. Sigma fi di value is this one, it's coming. Alright, is it clear? Okay, now we will come back to our problem. This you write in rough side. Okay, make a draw one adjacent side. In that side you write it. I am not having space, that's why I am written in the bottom of the page. That you don't do, please. Okay, what's the formula means? X bar equals to what's the formula? A plus sigma fi di by n into c. This is the value we are having. Okay, so what's the A value you have chosen? A value you have chosen 28, C value you have taken as 8. So A value is you have taken as 28 plus fi sigma fi di. Sigma fi di value is what you are getting? Minus 5. So therefore this is minus 5 will come. Divided by n. N value is what we are getting? N is 77 into C. C value is what we are getting? C. C you have taken as 8, right? C value you have taken as 8. So this C value is 8 we are getting. So I am now, this is 28 only. So 28 plus into minus minus. Now I am using calculator for our understanding. Easily we can do it, this problem. So just a minute. See here what I am having. 5 into 8. First I am multiplying 5 into 8 I am doing. And then after this one we need to do the calculation. See, now you can see here 5 8s are, easily we can say 40, in spite though 5 8s are 40 will come. So 40 divided by what you need to do? Divided by what is there here? 7. So therefore it's a dividing by 77. So you are getting what's the value mean? 0.519. 0.519. We are getting 0.519. So I am writing here 28 plus into minus minus 5 8s are 40 and divided by what is that? 77. If you are dividing now, what you are getting? 28 minus 0.519 it's coming. Now subtraction. So easily you can use calculator, not issue. In exam also it's allowed. Don't worry about it. 28. So I am writing 28 minus what the value? 0.519. So 0.519. 2 decimal, okay, I am writing. So 2 decimal, what the answer is coming? 27.481 it's coming. This is the value of X bar. If I am taking 2 points now, what will come? 27.49 it's coming. Approximately 27.49 it's coming. Both are correct only. Okay, that's our wish. We want, we can do it. So now you can see in direct method what the answer you got it as 25.40. Answer is coming 25.40. Whereas here it's coming 27.49. It's not a issue. Okay, so that you keep it in mind. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. One thing I have done here, a small mistake while entering data. You can see here what I have written? 17. I have written here it as a 17. That this answer is correct. The problem is correct. But in our problem what we have taken, you can see here what the value is coming? 7. For that reason only. Okay. So don't be panic. It's correct only. It's correct, but the problem I have changed as 17. Okay. By mistake I have written as a 17 instead of 7. So this problem is correct. You do the same method. They using this 17 as 7. The same thing will come. Here what will come? 14 will come. Then minus 25 will come. So everything if you calculate, na correct will come. Is it clear? Don't think that this answer is 27.48 it's coming. This answer is 25 will come. No. If you do in the same way, you will get the same answer. 25.40 only will come. So we can easily stop with that one, not an issue. Okay. This is a right problem only, but the data instead of 7 I have taken 17. So that's why the answer is variation is coming. But you do the same problem in the same way. Okay. So up to this one we have done all the methods. Arithmetic progression is over. After this one is we have done arithmetic progression is over. So now in the next class, inshallah, we'll see some other interesting geometrical mean and then harmonic mean we'll see. One small concept is there, combined mean is there. What's that one? We'll see in the next class. So that's all about this one. Okay, a small recap you can see here. Data is classified into two types. One is ungrouped data and another is group data. Group data is further classified as two types, discrete type and then continuous type. In each category we have two methods. One is direct method, another is shortcut method. In both the ways. So totally 6 method is there. Inshallah, I will send that one also. Okay. So today, if it is possible, I will send statistics books. So please download, which is going to be useful to you, and write down the homeworks. I will send you homeworks. You do it. Thank you. Assalam.